Advanced drone designed for critical missions, ideaForge Technology Limited has introduced NETRA 5, a new unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, designed for defense and security applications. The drone offers adaptability, advanced intelligence, and durability for complex missions. AI-driven capabilities and modular design, NETRA 5 integrates ideaForge's onboard computing system, enabling AI-powered mission workflows. The drone can detect military assets such as bunkers, tanks, and bridges while tracking moving objects or individuals in real time, both during the day and at night. The UAV features a modular design, including a primary payload with dual electro-optical/infrared EO/IR sensors. It also has a secondary payload bay that supports an open communication protocol. This flexibility allows operators to customize payloads for various missions, including LiDAR, multispectral imaging, synthetic aperture radar (SAR), and precision delivery applications. We are proud to introduce the NETRA 5, a game-changer in unmanned aerial technology, said Ankit Mehta, CEO of ideaForge Technology Limited. With its ability to operate in GNSS-denied environments, endure extreme weather conditions, and adapt to diverse mission needs, NETRA 5 represents a breakthrough in autonomy, resilience, and versatility. It is not just a UAV, it's a leap forward in ensuring operational success in the most critical scenarios. This innovation reflects our unwavering commitment to empowering defense forces with cutting-edge solutions that redefine the future of unmanned systems. Built for challenging environments, NETRA 5 is designed for operations in extreme conditions. It is equipped with all-weather radar sensors for obstacle detection and avoidance, ensuring safe navigation in complex environments. The drone's frequency hopping technology enhances resistance to jamming, while GNSS-denied operation ensures continuous intelligence gathering. With a maximum takeoff weight of under 8 kilograms, NETRA 5 is lightweight and can be deployed in under 3 minutes. It is built to withstand up to 5,000 landings and operate in extreme temperatures and environments. The UAV also includes a dedicated secondary payload bay with standardized mounts, allowing for future expansion and adaptability. Upcoming showcase at Aero India 2025, ideaForge will unveil NETRA 5, along with its Switch V2 tactical UAV and a logistics UAV concept, at Aero India 2025 in Bengaluru, Hall C, Booth No. 4.6.